Hello, NEET 2018 chemistry question paper, question number 153. Compound A, C8H10O, is found to react with NaOI produced by reacting Y with NaOH and yields a yellow precipitate with characteristic smell. A and Y are respectively. These are the options given. Let's find out the answer. So, option 1 is secondary alcohol, which on oxidation gives phenyl methyl ketone, that is acetophenone. This on reaction with I2 and NH form iodoform and sodium benzoate. Let's see the reaction. So the reaction is 2NaOH plus I2 gives NaOI plus NaI plus H2O. This is alloform reaction. Hence, the correct option is option 1. Thank you.